everyone! Welcome to Lilia's Bookshelf. I'm Lilia's mom.
I am Lilia.
Today, we're going to read When Autumn Falls. Please subscribe to hear more great books like this. Enjoy! When Autumn Falls, written by Nidey, illustrated by Swan. Leaves on the trees fall. Red, gold, yellow, brown, and orange come down.
You got all the colors.
The temperature falls, bringing cooler weather. Grab your jacket or your sweater.
Birds getting cold.
Ripe apples fall for bobbing. And baking and caramel apple making.
It's yummy.
Seeds fall from the last sunflowers, and pumpkins come loose from the vines. Which jack-o'-lantern will be mine?
I like that one.
Football players fall into the end zone. Whose hand is on the ball?
Touchdown.
Little children fall into piles of leaves stacked high.
Wee.
As friends walk by, footsteps fall on the crunched up leaves. Sunlight falls through the almost bare trees. And then the raindrops fall, washing the last leaves away.
Goodbye.
Evening falls earlier in the day. As the days fall shorter.
It's getting dark.
We call it fall. Thanks for reading this book with us. Please like us on social media for updates on new books. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.
Me too.